Hey, what's up, Enjin coin? What's the new target of Enjin coin? Can they hit the target? And what's my prediction to upcoming days? They moving up or they fails down? And what's my opinion to this selling time or buying time? Everything in this video is going to be very special for everyone. But first of all, I request you please before I get start this video, I request you to subscribe to this channel. This is very urgent and short update for you, my friend. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of updates and special informative videos. Please subscribe and press bell icon. My friend, if you can see here, they change occur in the last 24 hours plus 3.6%. They got off. Congratulations, they got off in the last 24 hours. So first of all, this is good. My friend, if you can see here this time, the latest price is 2.61 US dollar. I hope the price change and to 5 US dollar. Our target is 5 US dollar, my friend. I hope they can hit it just in the upcoming 30 days. Exactly, they can hit it, my friend. Last and upcoming 30 days we the target this target tag and this chart. You can see here first of all, my friend, if we check out the last 7 days chart, then we again understand to I hope this is possible to in upcoming 30 days they can hit 15 US dollar, my friend. Okay, come to the point, my friend. You can see here last 7 days chart has gone very badly, falls down, my friend. But if we check out this time, I draw a chart, my friend. This is the highest point. You can see here, this is the highest point. You can see here, and this is the lowest point, my friends. Please understand this time. If you can see here, my friend, after a fails they after a jump they fails down again, and after a jump they did after a fails they take again jump, my friend. This is the circulation. You can see here, this is the circulation, my friend. If they're moving in this circulation, exactly the good time is coming soon now, my friend. The good time is coming soon. Every cryptocurrency is moving up like this. You can see here, this is the circulation of like a snake, my friend. This time, if you can see here, they falls down after a jump they falls down again. You can see here, after a jump they falls down again. And I hope this is a good time for jumping, my friends. So and on those days I hope they moving up. And if they're moving up this time, you can see here the price is 3.26 US dollar. The 2 US dollar is nothing, my friend. They can easily hit it. Everybody understand that they can hit it. But this time you can see here, and those days every crypto market is very badly falls down. They also very badly falls down. So please understand to this is not a selling time. My opinion is that to please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month or wait for 30 days. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire. So Enjin coin good time is coming soon. Kindly, if you have any plan to buy more, than exactly buy it and hold it and wait for the end of month. Please. And this is not a financial video. Remember, if you want to invest, the research personally. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.